Namaste. So today we will be demonstrating the prenatal yoga or pregnancy yoga for second and third trimester. First trimester, please go for the loosening exercises that is demonstrated on the first part of my video, and then you should go for the breathing exercises. You are not supposed to go for the ball exercises now. Second trimester and third trimester, you can go for all the ball exercises, breathing exercises and loosening exercises. It's really safe for you. Unless you have some complication in your pregnancy, you have to discuss with your gynec. So let's go for the practice. So dear pregnants, let's start with the loosening exercises. It's totally advised for the second and third trimester, but first trimester, do it gently. Go for the side to side neck tilting. To get more relaxation, you can catch hold of the side of your neck, catch your bones and give a good stretch to de-stress your neck tensions. Interlace your fingers to the forward, tighten it, and then you relax it. Tighten and keep it towards your chest level and relax it. Go for the full arm rotation to improve the blood circulation towards your chest. It is also good for your lungs to get more of oxygen supply. Go for the reverse 3 times. Exhale while you come back. Go for the side stretch to reduce the fat deposit the coming trimesters or months. Go for a good side stretch. Exhale and come back. Go for the other side. Repeat it for 3 times each side. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, squat. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, come forward a bit. Inhale once again, lengthen your spine nice and tall. Exhale, drop your hands through your thighs to the knee. Extend your spine in the final position. Feel a good relaxation on your spine when you bend forward. You can stay there for some time if you wish. Now go for the wrist joint movement. Fingers. Towards the last trimester, you can see the swelling in your hands and legs, so keep moving with this kind of exercises. Go for a gentle triangle stretch. This is a basic triangle stretch. By looking at the ceiling, inhale and come back. Exhale, you go down. Try to see the ceiling to reduce the hip tension as well as on your side. Let's go for a tree pose with support. Take care. Go for the other side. Always go with the wall support, not to get imbalanced. Now go for a gentle stretch for your chest. Inhale, push your chest forward. Exhale, come back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, hunch and de-stress your upper back. Now last joint to be taken care is your ankle joint. Go for clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. All the possible movements for your ankle joint, toe standing, heel standing. Please take care you are holding somewhere and doing it all, not to fall down. Always go near the wall and do these exercises for more safety. And this definitely reduces your swelling on your feet. Now let's proceed to the ball exercises. Let's start with the first exercise, moving the ball forward and backward to extend your spine. Exhale, push the ball forward. Inhale and take it back. Exhale as you move forward. Inhale when you come back. Repeat the count minimum 5 times. You can go up to 10 times of practice. Second exercise. Sit above the ball and rotate it with your pelvic joint. Rotate it clockwise as well as anti-clockwise to improve the mobility, flexibility of your hip joint. Normal breathing pattern is followed throughout this series. Let's go for the third exercise, moving the ball forward and backward with the help of your tailbone. See that your tailbone is getting properly massaged when you go forward and backward. You can hold on the side of a window or a wall during this practice. This releases a lot of tension from your tailbone. Moving to the fourth one, knee down and then extend your spine with the help of the ball forward. Exhale, inhale and take it back. Repeat it. All exercises minimum 5 times of practice. Now the fifth exercise, hugging the ball on the side of your stomach. Hug it very tight and then give a stretch on your side. Close your eyes and appreciate the stretch. Exhale and come back. Move the ball on the other side. And then give a side stretch again. And move to the forward and push your ball to the forward. Exhale and take it back. Repeat it to all the sides. That means side, right side, left side and forward. You can follow a normal breathing pattern, or whenever you give a push for the ball you can exhale, and when you take it back you can inhale. Now let's get into the relaxation technique. The ball is kept near to the wall and you are gently lying down above it and relaxing your spine. Go for the clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation of your hands to massage your shoulder blades. You feel awesome when you do this, and you relax by keeping your hands at the back and feel the beautiful lengthening of your spine. Come to the squat pose and then block it with your hands and adopt Namaste Mudra and stay there for some time to get good extension of your thigh muscles. Slowly get into the butterfly position and then start moving it to relax and to de-stress your thigh muscle tensions. And then slowly lie down above the ball. This position is apt for the relaxation technique. Hear a music and relax yourself. Thank you.